Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Office 2007. So in this video I am going to show you about how we can use conditional formatting and format as table and cell style options. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Office 2007. So we have already entered data of student mark list over here. I have entered student name and 6 subjects marks over here. Now I want to calculate the total of that marks, so I will use the formula equal to sum. And after getting the total of the student, I can drag that formula for the remaining students. So as you can see, I have got the total for all the students. Now we can find the percentage of the students by using the formula average. And now I have got the average of the student, and I will drag this also, and I've got the percentages of all the students. Now if you want to format this cell student name, you can use the option cell style. So this works upon the default options of coloring and font color. So as you can see, as I put the cursor on any option, it's automatically changing the format of that text. It's filling the color and it's changing the font color also. So you can apply this cell style for your cell. And then next option is format as table. This option is used to give a format of table to our data. So I have selected this data, and now I will go to the option format as table, and here we have 3 options: light, medium and dark. In this we have to select the coloring options or the format of the table which you want to apply. So I am just selecting one option from here, and we have to click on the OK button. So as you can see, the format for the table is applied. If you want to change the format of the table, you can change it from here, from table styles. So this is format as table. And the next topic is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means formatting the cells according to our conditions. So I want to check the highest marks of the students in Hindi subject. So I will just select their marks, and I will go to the option conditional formatting. From this option we have to select the first option, highlight cell rule. After clicking on this option, we get the list of the conditions like greater than, less than, between, equal to. So I want to check the highest score of the Hindi subject, so I will select the option greater than. After clicking on that option, I will write the condition, like if I want to see the highest marks like greater than 90. So I have just entered the marks 90, and now I have to select the color from here. So if I want to give the custom coloring, I can use the option custom format. By clicking on that, a dialog box will appear like this. From here you can select the colors of your font. From here you can select your font color, and if you want to select the cell color, you can go to the fill option and you can select it from here. Like I am using green for the highest marks, and then OK. So as you can see, it is colored to the 2 options, 96 and 95. And now if I want to check the lowest marks, I can use the option less than, and I will write here 50. So I want to check the below 50 marks. So I will select the color from here. I will select the red color. OK and OK. So as you can see, it is colored now. 47 is colored with red color because it is below 50. And now if you want to apply the between range, you can use that also. Like I will use the option range between 50 to 90, and I will select the color yellow for this. Okay, so yellow color is applied to the between range. So this option can be used like this, and if you want to apply this on totals, you can select the totals, and if you want to check the highest scorer, you can select the greater than option and type here 450 and select the color from here, and then click on OK button. So this is colored with the purple color. If you want to check the top scorer, you can even use this option top bottom rules, and here it has top 10 items, top 10 percentage, then bottom 10 items and bottom 10%. So I will use the top 10 items and I will make it one top item so that I could get the one topper of the list, and I will apply the color red blue and I will click on OK. So 492 is the highest total in the mark list, so it is colored with the blue color. And if you want to see any student name, or according to the student name or text, if you want to color the cells, you can select the text column and go to conditional formatting, highlight cell role, and you can use the option text contains. So like I want to color the person whose name is starting with H, and I will color it as brown color, and I will click on OK. So as you can see, it's coloring the option which contains the alphabet H, like Henry and Sean. So this is also a helpful option. And the next option is data bars, means it will fill the color according to the range of the numbers. Like the number is high, so it will fill the color fully, and if the mark is less than, it will color the cell less, as you can see here. Now the next option is color scales. Color scales works on the same condition, like greater than, less than and between. I will just go to the color scale and I am selecting the first option. So here it has applied the colors, like it works as it will color red for the lowest number, and yellow for the middle number, and green for the highest number. And if you want reciprocal or inverse of it, you can select the second option. It will color the lowest number as green and the middle number as yellow, and the highest number as red color. And if you want to apply icons to your data, you can even apply the icons for your data. Like it will give the red color headlight for the lowest number, and yellow color headlight for the middle number, and the green color headlight for highest number. And you can even use the network icons. Highest number will be identified as a full network, and middle number with half network, and lowest number as empty. And many other options are there which you can use. And there is another option for applying the rules, new rule, and then we have to go to format only cell that contain. From here also we can select our conditions, greater than, less than, equal to, and if you want to give the coloring, you can go to format option, and from this fill dialog box you can select the color whichever you want and click on OK button. So this was the conditional formatting. And if you want to do any kind of editing, like if you want to change color here of this 47, I have applied the red color for it, and now I want to change that color. So I will go to manage rule, and I will select that condition, and I will click on edit rule, and I will click on this format button, and from here I will pick a color and I will click on OK button. So the color is applied here. You can do any kind of editing with this option, manage rules. And if you want to remove the conditions which you have applied to the sheet, you can go to this option and clear rules. Two options are there here. Clear rules from selected sheets means selected cells means you can clear that conditional rules from the selected cells which you have selected, or if you want to delete it from entire sheet, you can select the clear rule from entire sheet. So by clicking on that option, all the conditional options will be erased from our sheet. So this was the conditional formatting. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment how you like the video or not. Thank you very much.